Today, the market has opened 3.58% up. So, this was a huge gap up. And this thing, I had said this on yesterday itself on my YouTube shorts. According to the exit poll data, what we are getting, it seems that on Monday, that is of 3rd June 2024, the market might be on a upper side. Okay, and also the indices, what likely can be on a upper side are large caps in financial services, auto, and capital goods sector. So yes, subscribe to my channel and go inside my short section to see lot of educational and quick updates like this. Okay, so now coming back to today's trade, the market was up, but today I did short selling. Yes. So for whom did this gap up give an advantage for? So this gap up gave an advantage for the people who were holding the stocks, and for most especially for positional traders and swing traders. And also it depends on what stock you were holding. So yes, the market has gone up by 3.58% up today in the opening itself, and later you can see the market came down and again it has gone up. And technically the market has made a new high, if you guys can see, that is almost 23337.9. So that was the highest what it has made for the day. Okay, but this gap up will only help for the people who are doing swing trades or positional trades who were already holding. Okay, and also if we quickly see, even though the market has gone up by 3.58% up, not all the indices has gone up like that. So Nifty IT, you can see it's only up by 0.39% up, whereas a lot of stocks have not performed at all. And you can see Nifty Pharma also, which is up by only 0.36%. Even Nifty Pharma did not perform, and even Nifty Healthcare only up by 0.45. It has not performed. Okay, so only few indices have performed in a big bullish way. Okay, so it always depends on what sector you're trading and on what stock you're trading. So your stock pick becomes a very crucial thing here. Okay, so now let's talk about today's trade. Today I have traded on Altas, and yes, as I said you, I have short sold today. Okay, so this is a trade what I took almost around 9:23 a.m. I guess. So I short sold it around 1400. So according to my study and the strategy, I have traded on this stock without any indicators. So I short sold at 1400, and as you guys can see here, the stock has made a low of 1487 almost. Okay, so almost 12 to 13 points target has been hit here by giving more than 0.5% target. Okay, so in intraday I only aim for this kind of targets, not much. Okay, so by following my trading discipline and a strategy, I booked my profit and I've taken my exit, and later the stock has taken a good support, and this was a good support level as well according to my study and the strategy. Somewhere around 1385 was a good support level, and now it took a good support around 1385 itself, almost close to it. It is 1387, and from there the stock has gone up and made a high of almost 1426. So I had predicted that at least from 1385 the stock can go up to 20 points up from here, and yes, it has gone more than 20 points up. Okay, so if you guys want to learn all these techniques of stock selection and making a perfect entry and want to get a personal support from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, and if you guys want to recover your loss, or also if you're a beginner and want to learn from basics, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join us, you get live market personal support as well. So you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally. Okay. So guys, yes, so I just said you how the Nifty performed today. So Nifty made a big gap up today and also made a big high, I can tell. But yes, once it touched that point, there was a huge consolidation. So large amount of sell off which came in. And again, the market did take a good support for the day. Okay, so this was all the news impact for the day what we had, and from this support it has gone up again. So gradually the market has closed up at 3.25% up today. So the market has closed in a bullish side for the day. Okay, so this is how the market has performed, and this is my trade what I have done. Okay, so even though the market is up like this, we will have a top losers. Okay, so that I already said you. So however the market goes, your stock selection becomes very important, and the way you trade and where you take the entry and where you take the exit becomes very very important. Just because of the market is up by 3%, it doesn't mean that all the stock you buy will go up like this, right? So it's always important you invest your money wisely and pick the stock in a good manner. So if your selection is right, then even though if the strategy is working okay, then also you'll be able to make good entries. But if your strategy is very very accurate, but if your picking is wrong, then you will not be able to make an accurate trade. So you can see here we still have top losers for the day, even if the market is up by 3.25% up. Okay, so Eager Motor 1.34% down, LTIM 1.12% down. So a lot of IT stocks and pharma stocks, which I already discussed in the beginning of the video when I show you the indexes part. Okay, so bank sector performed very well today, and financial services has performed very well today. So these things I already said in my yesterday's YouTube short. So if you have missed it, so don't miss it from next time. Do subscribe to my channel, and also you can go to my channel and go inside the short section to find a lot of educational and quick ideas like this, and also a lot of stock analysis what I do. So it might be helpful for you for getting the quick idea and quick educational purpose. Okay, so I hope this was an very educational live trade what I have explained you today, and analysis video for the day. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.